Hi, my name is Bruno and I'm a lawyer from Macau in Portugal. And today I would like to talk to you about something that relates to an area that I really enjoy and practice, which is intellectual property, specifically about how consumers are defined in Macau. So, from a Macau legal perspective, a well-known brand is understood as the brand known by the consumer as the one that immediately distinguishes a certain product or service. And if the product is of big consumption, the brand must be known by the general public. But who is the consumer? How does Macau courts determine what is understood by consumer? So the recommendation concerning provisions on the protection of well-known trademarks considers that in determining the consumer concept, it should be taken into consideration 1. The relevant sector. 2. Current or potential consumers of the type of goods and or services to which the brand applies. 3. People involved in the distribution channels of the brand. And 4. Business or commercial circles that deal with the types of goods and or services to which the brands apply. Those are the general recommendations. But from a Macau legal perspective, what is curious is that the concept of consumer, for the purpose of defining if a trademark is well known or not, is not only restricted to Macau residents. It also includes tourists, namely from Taiwan, from Hong Kong, and from mainland China. One should not forget that Macau has only about 600,000 people, but before pandemic, we were visited by 30 million tourists a year. So that is why the courts have been understanding that we should also include not only Macau residents, but also these tourists. Macau courts consider that the consumer is the average recipient, current or potential, of the products or services. In this respect, they also take into account, among other factors, the relevant products or services, as well as the social status and culture of the public to which those products or services are intended. Remember, this article does not represent legal advice and cannot be construed as such. Please contact an attorney to obtain guidance on these matters. Thank you.